I have some very exciting news. I'm in the process of moving into my first apartment. Yay! It's gonna be around 2 more weeks that we're gonna move in. Today is June 3rd, so if this comes out later, around the time right now, June 3rd, I'm gonna show you everything that I've packed already, things that, and what my room looks like, because it's completely different. Like everything in there is gone, basically. The same as my dad's room as well, but very excited and very happy to be moving into my new apartment. So this is gonna be my next vlog, basically just moving into my first apartment. Yeah, so let's get started. So this is everything that I've packed so far. Everything's in boxes or tubs or in the original box, but right here is everything that I've packed so far at my mom's house. I'm taking this desk and I'm taking everything that's packed here. Still a lot more to do, but this is what I have done so far. Hi guys, today is Monday and I'm now officially 3 days away from moving out of my parents' house. I'm currently at my dad's house and I'm getting the last few things that I have to move over to my mom's house, because we're gonna be moving from my mom's house and from my boyfriend's house into our new apartment. My first apartment, his first apartment, and our first time living together. So I'm very excited. My room is like kind of empty. I still have like my bed and dresser and all that kind of stuff in there, but for the most part everything else is gone. So it's a crazy time, but I'm super excited to be moving and finally into my own place. I'm just gonna be vlogging about all of this, and yeah, I'm very excited. Look what we just got today. So today we went to go see the apartment and to sign the lease and everything, and now we have our house keys, our apartment keys. I'm so excited. It's just a weird feeling to actually have like my own place, especially with my boyfriend, the person I love. It's really warming and it's really awesome. So tomorrow is officially the move-in day and I cannot wait until we get to move in. I get to organize everything again and I just get to have my own place. I'm just so very excited this is all happening. Part 1 of moving. Yes. All right, so it is 10 p.m. on Tuesday night and we just finished packing the U-Haul, the rest of the cars and everything, very late. And then tomorrow we're gonna wake up around 6 a.m. and pack the last of the things, just like the TVs and the printer, any other miscellaneous stuff that we have in the house. And then we are heading to the apartment to finally move in. And I'm very tired, it's been very exhausting, but I cannot wait to finally go in there and start putting things away and call this place my home. So very excited to see how this turns out. It's move-in day! So we are at the apartment now. We already unloaded like 4 cars. The U-Haul is all unloaded. We got mostly everything inside. We just have all the stuff in here, and then we can start unpacking and start assembling everything in the house, and everything's coming together. So I'm super excited. Hi everyone. So today is the day after that we moved in. We still have so much to do. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm on my way to work, so it's gonna be really not hard, but it's kind of gonna be annoying just like to come home and unpack, and after you've been working for 8 hours a day and stuff like that. So this moving in process is gonna be a longer time. We're hoping to be done by this weekend, but we'll see. I'm not sure if we will, but that is our goal. It's only Thursday, so we still have a couple more days to like pack stuff or unpack stuff and put it in place, but we should be okay. So we'll see how it looks once it's all finished.